The Sports Ministry has issued a directive to the Indian Olympic Association (IOA) urging them to establish a temporary panel to oversee the operations of the Wrestling Federation of India (WFI). This decision comes in the wake of the suspension of newly elected WFI management amidst a dispute involving wrestlers. In a letter addressed to the IOA chief, the Sports Ministry emphasizes the need for a temporary committee with the authority to manage and control various aspects of the WFI, including athlete selection. According to the letter signed by Tarun Parekh, Under Secretary to the Centre, concerns have been raised about the governance and integrity of the WFI, given the prevailing situation influenced by the organization's former office bearers. An urgent call for corrective action echoes as Sports Ministry demands immediate measures to restore good governance principles within sports organizations. The onus is now on the Indian Olympic Association (IOA) to implement suitable arrangements for the interim management of the Wrestling Federation of India (WFI). This ensures that the discipline of wrestling remains unaffected and the fundamental tenets of good governance within the sports body are safeguarded, according to Sports Ministry in a recent letter. With the current administration led by newly elected Chief Sanjay Singh suspended by the centre, the possibility of another round of elections for the WFI is looming. The IOA's temporary panel, once established, will assume responsibility for the day-to-day operations of the WFI, overseeing aspects such as athlete participation in international events and the organization of sporting competitions. Amidst concerns raised by ace wrestler Sakshi Malik about the upcoming junior national competitions, the centre has issued a halt on all activities by the newly elected WFI panel until further notice. The government also expressed reservation about the swift announcement of the junior national contests, emphasizing the need for a measured approach in these proceedings. The Sports Ministry, in a stern statement, highlights that the newly elected body of the Wrestling Federation of India (WFI) appears to be under the complete control of former office bearers, bluntly disregarding the sports code. Furthermore, it discloses that the WFI's operations are being conducted from premises controlled by the same former office bearers, where allegations of sexual harassment against players are currently undergoing in court review. The former WFI chief, Brij Bhushan Singh, a six-time BJP MP, stepped aside following accusation of sexual harassment by top wrestlers including Sakshi Malik. The wrestlers, backed by notable figures like Olympic bronze medalist Bajrang Punia and Commonwealth Games gold medalist Vinesh Fogart, took to the streets earlier this year seeking justice. The agitation was called off after government assurances and the initiation of a probe against Brij Bhushan Sharan Singh. Despite promises that close associates and relatives of Brij Bhushan would be barred from contesting elections, the recent WFI election saw Sanjay Singh securing a victory against Commonwealth Games gold medalist Anita Sheora, who was supported by the protesting wrestlers. Notably, Singh's nomination was approved, raising concerns about the electoral process and governance within the wrestling body.
Subscribe to One India channel and never miss an update.